Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Our tutorial today we are going to focus how to close a PayPal account. So the very first thing you need to come is you need to come to your PayPal, to log in into a PayPal account. Then come to your profile, come to your account settings. We'll get the personal information. Here it is. And the last option in when you come to this button settings, this is a business PayPal account that had been verified. So I can see it tells me close your account. Once I click that, close my account, I think it will be ready to process this account, because PayPal gives you the right that at one time you can always disengage from them. So they need to acquire a quick check to receive it. I need to receive a text through the phone that I registered. I'm sure in a minute I'll be receiving it. I'm holding my phone. Yeah, let me wait for the code. I've got the code 955-813, 955-813. Identity confirmed, and this PayPal account has been officially closed. Thank you for sticking me to the end of the video recording. We can see now it tells me that PayPal holder, my account has been closed.